The Birdie Retirement Planning Dashboard has a number of variables that you can use to reflect your personal retirement situation and also visualize potential future outcomes. The account stats graph shows a reflection of net withdrawal, taxes, and withdrawal by each one of your accounts. Looking at the account balance section, this shows your account balance over time, factoring in taxes, withdrawals, and anything else that affects it. Looking at the tax burden by account, you can see a breakdown of exactly what percentage of taxes comes out of each one of your accounts that you withdraw from. And looking at the taxes paid yearly comparison, we have a breakdown of retirement strategies and the taxes that accompany them, so you can best plan for your future retirement. To update your charts, go back up to the top and change any of the variables that you wish to see. Click Submit for all of the charts to be updated in a flash. And if you want to reset what you're doing, the Reset Values button will allow you to clear out all of your updates and go back to the standard settings.